Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm going to quickly show you, specifically with your ClickFunnels, how to add a cookie consent banner to your ClickFunnels page. This will work on any website as well though, so you can follow it if you're using something else. So obviously GDPR and everything in the EU, you need to tell people you're using cookies. So if you come to cookieconsent.insights.com, I'll put a link in the video. This was Slick-Tide, I think, before, but now it's cookieconsent.insights.com up here, look. And then download this free and open source. You don't actually download it, you're going to go here and show. So when you set up your cookie, it's going to look at like this at the bottom when you set up your banner. So you've got a choice of putting it at the top, it'll obviously come up here. Push down, it'll jump in. Floating from the right or floating from the left. So it's up to you which one will look best. I'm going to go with a banner. I'm going to go with a banner at the bottom. You could change it. I mean, I don't know what that changed really. I guess it made it a little bit rounder. The wire or a block. I'm going to go with this classic one. Palette, if you want to change colours on it, you know, give it a blue or a different colour. Maybe I'll just stick with the orange. And you can change, if you know your own colours, you can change it. Learn more link, so it's wherever your privacy policy is. So mine is at paulnicholson.com privacy. Or you can use theirs if you leave that highlighted. So it's going to say, when you go learn more, it's going to jump to my privacy link. Compliance. This is interesting because when you go to what should happen is it shouldn't run the cookies until somebody says, yes, that's okay. But a lot of websites have to have the cookies running to make the website work. So if I come here and go to Facebook, Facebook just tell you that they're running cookies. They're not telling you, they're not stopping the cookies working before that you get there, which is how it should work. And if you go to something like Amazon, it actually knows exactly where I am. And to be fair, I think there was a privacy option, but so Amazon doesn't even have one. But so what I'm saying is, to be fully compliant, you have to say, don't run any cookies until this person says okay. But it's very hard to set that up. It's hard to set your website up, and there's advanced options here. If you actually go here and go down to the bottom, which should you choose? The vast majority of websites at the time of writing, including big names like Google and Facebook, choose some variation of information approach, i.e. they tell users they use cookies but continue to use them. Of course, in their case, their website would be unusable without cookies. So they're saying that you probably can be all right using the information one that just says we use cookies. Got it. Here, look, just got it. It isn't stopping cookies running on your website, and if you're looking for something like that, there is two other options, but you need to do more funky stuff to get it working. So then you can change. So obviously here it says the website uses cookies to ensure. So here's the best. Got it. Learn more. So if you want to change that to more info, you just type it in, right? More info. And that will change this to more info. Let me put it back to learn more. And that's it. You just copy this code, right? This is what it's going to do. So I'm going to copy this code. Copied. I'm going to go to my funnel, which is this one. It's just it's a training course I do. So there's no cookies at the moment, right? So what I'm going to do is go into this 101 information funnel. I'm going to go settings. And I'm just going to add that code to the heading tracking here behind the other cookies that have been set. So I'm going to add that to the head tracking code. Save and update. Now, sometimes it doesn't take straight away, but it does start working eventually. If I refresh, let me clear my history. There it is, look. So you have to refresh your browser because it's already loaded once. So there now is my cookie consent bar on a ClickFunnels page. If I click, it's going to go to my privacy policy. which has got another another cookie. The problem with ClickFunnels is it's probably going to run a cookie consent on every separate funnel that you have on your website. But I mean, if this is what you've got to do, obviously you're just going to click got it, and that's how you to add it. Now, it isn't, so two things it's not going to do that you need to be aware of is, one, it's not going to just show it to European visitors, it's going to show it to all visitors, which might annoy you or not. And two, it's not going to stop the cookie running on your website when the person visits, which would be non-compliant. But as it said in that information, I'll put a link to it. Big firms are running a banner, or in some case not running anything at all, of information, not click here, turn these cookies off, don't use them. It's basically our website uses cookies. It's up to you whether you continue to use our website or not. Not, you can turn them off. So I hope that helped. Just a quick demo. Any questions, come and visit me. I've got a full ClickFunnels training forum and website. You're welcome to come and dive in and ask any ClickFunnels training. Cheers, guys.